Play and learn for kids. Listen, speak, read and learn. Subscribe us and click on bell icon to get every new videos. Hello kids, let's learn about homophones. Homophones. A homophone is a word that has the same sound as another word but has a different meaning. Few examples are sun, sun, right, right, meet, meet, break, break, hole, hole. They have same sound but have different meanings. Select the correct option from the below sentences. It is nice to S-E-E or S-E-A-U. It is nice to see you. S-E-E-C. The S-U-N or S-O-N looks very bright today. The sun looks very bright today. S-U-N, sun. We work all night for the health of P-A-T-I-E-N-T-S or P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. We work all night for the health of patients. P-A-T-I-E-N-T-S. Nice to M-E-E-T or M-E-A-T, you too. Nice to meet you too. M-E-E-T, meet. A B-E or B-E-E likes colorful flowers. A bee likes colorful flowers. B, B-E-E. Never judge others by T-H-E-I-R or T-H-E-R-E looks. Never judge others by their looks. T-H-E-I-R, their. W-H-E-R-E or W-E-A-R is the haunted house. Where is the haunted house? W-H-E-R-E, where. You have big and colorful E-Y-E-R-I. You have big and colorful eye. E-Y-E-I. You never tell me the R-I-G-H-T or W-R-I-T-E. You never tell me the right. R-I-G-H-T, right. What do you think to W-E-A-R or W-H-E-R-E at the meeting? What do you think to wear at the meeting? W-E-A-R, wear. At school, T-H-E-I-R or T-H-E-R-E is a playground. At school, there is a playground. T-H-E-R-E, there. The sky is B-L-E-W or B-L-U-E today. The sky is blue today. B-L-U-E, blue. I-W-O-N or O-N-E. This race last year. I won this race last year. W-O-N, won. I have T-W-O or T-O-O sisters and one brother. I have two sisters and one brother. TWO 2. The telephone is BYRBUY, the window. The telephone is by the window, BY by. I was too tired to WRITE or RIGHT up my assignments. I was too tired to write up my assignments, WRITE, write. When will your SON or SUN come? When will your son come? SON, son. My WAIT or WEIGHT reduced when I started to follow the proper diet plan. My weight reduced when I started to follow the proper diet plan, WEIGHT, weight. He works 48 hours per WEEK or WEAK. He works 48 hours per week, WEEK, week. Are you WEEK or WEAK in English? Are you weak in English? WEAK, weak. I went to the market and BYRBUY everything you wanted. I went to the market and buy everything you wanted, BUY, buy. I need a BREAK or BRAKE. I need a break, BREAK, break. He applied the BREAK or BRAKE to stop the car. He applied the brake to stop the car, BRAKE, brake. I can't WEIGHT or WAIT until the bus comes. I can't wait until the bus comes, WAIT, wait. I am unable to HEAR or HERE your voice. Can you please speak loud? I am unable to hear your voice. Can you please speak loud? HEAR, hear. He had a HOLE or WHOLE in his socks. He had a hole in his sock, HOLE, hole. Getting some SEA or SEE air will be good for all of us. Getting some sea air will be good for all of us, SEA, sea. I read the WHOLE or HOLE book in one day. I read the whole book in one day, WHOLE, whole. Now there is NO or KNOW chance for the next meeting. Now there is no chance for the next meeting. NO, no. The princess was rescued by a handsome NIGHT or KNIGHT. The princess was rescued by a handsome knight. KNIGHT. Lord Buddha is the symbol of PEACE or PIECE. Lord Buddha is the symbol of peace. PEACE, peace. Read the complete block to NO or KNOW more. Read the complete block to know more. KNOW, no. The old lady has lost her SIGHT or SITE. The old lady has lost her sight. SIGHT, sight. I recommend you to eat this MEAT or MEET dish. I recommend you to eat this meat dish. MEAT, meat. He cut the cake into 8 equal PIECES or PEACE. He cut the cake into 8 equal pieces. PIECES, pieces. NIGHT or KNIGHT time is mostly preferred for distant traveling. Night time is mostly preferred for distant traveling. NIGHT, night. OUR or HOUR. Aim should be always crystal clear. Our aim should be always crystal clear. OUR. You should positively spend at least an HOUR or OUR daily for reading. You should positively spend at least an hour daily for reading. HOUR, hour. Hope you like our videos. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe us to watch more videos.